Happy Kids Days! Hello!
Curious little donkey jumping all around. With his floppy ears he explores the ground. Look, there's a flower, how pretty and bright. The magic force fills him with delight. Step by step he wanders, gentle and slow. Our sweet little donkey, eager to know. Eyes full of sparkle, everything's new. With his happy smile he teaches us too. He follows the jasmine-scented breeze, leaping past stones with the rustling trees. Butterflies flutter, the sky's clear and blue. Every small corner hides secrets and hues. Running through meadows, feeling the sun, singing with the wind, sharing the fun. A laughing stream invites him to play. The donkey giggles and drifts away. When the moon begins to shine so bright, the forest will cradle him through the night. Wrapped in its blanket, safe and warm, he'll dream of adventures till the dawn. Curious little donkey jumping all around. With his floppy ears he explores the ground. Look, there's a flower, how pretty and bright. The magic force fills him with delight. Curious little donkey jumping all around. With his floppy ears he explores the ground. Look, there's a flower, how pretty and bright.